When you're heading into the wilderness, having the right survival gear can mean the difference between comfort and crisis. Today's outdoor technology is smarter, lighter, and more capable than ever before. In this video, we're counting down the top 8 best extreme survival gadgets that every adventurer, camper, hiker, and survival enthusiast should know about. These innovative gadgets are available through major online retailers, including Amazon, and are designed to help you stay safe in some of the harshest outdoor conditions. Number 8. Garmin InReach Mini 2. The Garmin InReach Mini 2 is one of the most valuable survival gadgets you can carry into remote wilderness areas. Unlike traditional GPS devices that rely on cellular coverage, this compact communicator uses satellite technology to keep you connected almost anywhere on Earth. Whether you're hiking deep into the mountains, crossing remote deserts, or exploring dense forests, you can send and receive messages, share your location, and trigger an SOS signal during emergencies. The device is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to attach to a backpack or belt. Its rugged construction is designed to withstand rain, dust, and rough handling in extreme environments. The battery can last for weeks depending on usage, making it ideal for long expeditions. One of its most impressive features is interactive SOS functionality. In a life-threatening situation, users can contact emergency response teams and communicate directly about their location and circumstances. The InReach Mini 2 also provides weather forecasts and navigation assistance, helping adventurers make safer decisions in unpredictable conditions. For anyone venturing beyond cell phone coverage, this device offers peace of mind that is difficult to match. It has become a favorite among hikers, climbers, hunters, and survival experts who require reliable communication in remote regions. Number 7. Goal Zero Torch 500. The Goal Zero Torch 500 combines several essential survival functions into one durable package. It works as a powerful flashlight, emergency floodlight, and portable power bank. This versatility makes it one of the most practical gadgets for outdoor emergencies. The flashlight produces a strong beam capable of illuminating trails, campsites, and search areas during nighttime adventures. Meanwhile, the floodlight setting provides broad illumination for cooking, setting up camp, or handling emergency repairs after dark. A standout feature is its multiple charging methods. Users can recharge the device through USB, a built-in solar panel, or a hand crank. This flexibility ensures that even if you run out of battery power in the wilderness, you still have options to generate electricity. The built-in power bank allows users to charge smartphones, GPS devices, and other small electronics. During emergencies, maintaining communication and navigation capabilities can be extremely important. Its rugged design and reliable performance make the Goal Zero Torch 500 a valuable addition to any survival kit. Number 6. LifeStraw Peak Series Personal Water Filter. Water is the most critical survival necessity, and the LifeStraw Peak Series helps ensure that outdoor adventurers always have access to safe hydration. This advanced filtration device removes harmful bacteria, parasites, and contaminants from natural water sources. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry in a pocket or backpack. Users simply place the filter into a water source and drink directly through it. This eliminates the need for heavy water bottles and reduces dependence on carrying large amounts of water. The improved filtration system provides a higher flow rate than previous versions, making it easier to hydrate quickly during strenuous activities. Whether you're trekking through forests, crossing rivers, or dealing with emergency situations, this compact gadget can transform questionable water into drinkable water. Its durability and reliability have made it a trusted tool among survival experts, military personnel, and outdoor enthusiasts. In many survival situations, access to clean water is a top priority, making the LifeStraw Peak Series one of the smartest gadgets you can pack. Number 5. BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus. The BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus is an innovative survival gadget that transforms ordinary sticks and biomass into usable electricity. This remarkable device allows outdoor enthusiasts to cook meals while simultaneously charging electronic devices. Using a built-in thermoelectric generator, the stove converts heat from the fire into electrical power. As you boil water or prepare food, energy is stored and can be used to charge smartphones, headlamps, GPS units, and other USB-powered devices. The integrated fan improves combustion efficiency, creating a hotter and cleaner burn compared to traditional campfires. This results in less smoke and better fuel efficiency, making cooking faster and more enjoyable. For survival situations where power sources are unavailable, the BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus offers an ingenious solution. It combines cooking, heating, and electricity generation into a single compact device, making it one of the most innovative outdoor gadgets available today. Number 4. Nitecore in U43 Rechargeable Headlamp. Reliable lighting is essential during survival scenarios, and the Nitecore in U43 delivers exceptional performance in a lightweight package. This modern rechargeable headlamp provides impressive brightness while maintaining excellent battery life. The adjustable beam settings allow users to switch between flood and spotlight modes depending on their needs. Whether you're navigating trails, setting up camp, or performing emergency tasks, the NU43 provides clear visibility without occupying your hands. Its lightweight design reduces fatigue during extended use, while the weather-resistant construction ensures dependable operation in harsh outdoor conditions. Multiple brightness levels help conserve battery power when maximum illumination is unnecessary. The rechargeable battery eliminates the need to carry numerous spare batteries, making it especially useful for multi-day adventures. This combination of brightness, durability, and efficiency has made it a favorite among serious outdoor enthusiasts. Number 3. FlexDale Tiny Pump X. The FlexDale Tiny Pump X is a surprisingly versatile gadget that performs multiple outdoor functions despite its tiny size. It serves as an air pump, vacuum pump, and emergency camping lantern. Inflating sleeping pads, air mattresses, and other camping equipment becomes incredibly easy with this lightweight device. It saves time and energy compared to manual inflation methods, allowing adventurers to focus on more important tasks. The integrated LED light provides useful campsite illumination, while the rechargeable battery offers extended operating time. Its compact dimensions make it easy to carry in any survival kit or backpack. For minimalist adventurers who value multi-purpose equipment, the FlexDale Tiny Pump X offers outstanding functionality without adding significant weight to their gear. Number 2. Thermacell EX90 Rechargeable Mosquito Repeller. Insects can turn a great outdoor experience into a miserable one. The Thermacell EX90 creates a protective zone that helps keep mosquitoes away without sprays or lotions. The device uses rechargeable technology and creates a scent-free barrier around users. This makes it ideal for camping, fishing, hunting, and emergency survival situations where comfort and focus are important. Its compact design makes transportation simple, while the rugged housing handles outdoor conditions with ease. The rechargeable battery provides long-lasting protection, making it a practical addition to extended wilderness trips. For anyone who spends significant time outdoors, reducing insect exposure can improve comfort, sleep quality, and overall safety. Number 1. EcoFlow River 3 Portable Power Station. Taking the number 1 spot is the EcoFlow River 3 Portable Power Station. This advanced device provides reliable power for essential electronics during outdoor adventures and emergencies. Capable of charging smartphones, laptops, GPS devices, cameras, drones, and medical equipment, the River 3 serves as a portable energy hub. It supports multiple charging methods, including solar panels, vehicle charging, and standard wall outlets. The fast charging technology allows users to replenish the battery quickly before heading into the wilderness. Its rugged design and advanced battery management system ensure dependable performance even in demanding environments. For extreme survival situations, maintaining power can be crucial for communication, navigation, and emergency preparedness. The EcoFlow River 3 delivers an impressive combination of capacity, portability, and versatility, making it one of the best outdoor survival gadgets available today.